Around afternoon, around 2, the dormitory that has a capacity of 50 students got burned. The DCI, the investigators are around. They have come to investigate to see the cause of the fire. Indeed, the entire dormitory was razed down with all properties destroyed. There was nothing that was rescued. And this is something that is happening almost in the entire country. Students are burning dormitories, are destroying properties. The cause of the fire is not yet known because the investigation is still underway. We don't want to preempt and probably accuse the community of any shortcoming, because until at a time when the results will be out, that's when we shall have an authentic report of the same. But I want to say this, that this country must realize that the future is bleak for the country. The society is burning. When the youth become unruly, when they do not have the societal norms, it means that there is something wrong with our society. I would like to say that the parents, the teachers, and the government must sit down and critically think of the future of this nation. A nation without a youth that is well endowed, that is well cultured, is a nation that is going to the drains.